Adjustable carrying size. Not all items that you need to move are going to be the same size. Being able to adjust down to 21x21, you can effortlessly roll a wide variety of items through your house on this portable push dolly. Durable build. Built with sturdy PVC pieces and stainless steel poles, this dolly has a weight limit of a hefty 220 pounds, making moving large furniture or appliances like washing machines and dressers fast and effortless. Rollable cart sitting on top of 4 rubber swivel wheels, this dolly roller can be moved across any smooth flooring with little effort. When you want the cart to stay still, 2 wheels lock with a flip of a switch to ensure the dolly won't move unexpectedly. Product details. Dimensions: maximum 31 W x 31 L x 3.75 H, minimum 21 W x 21 L x 3.75 H. Weight limit 220 pounds. Includes 4 rubber swivel wheels, 2 locking wheels, 4 sturdy PVC corner pieces, 4 sturdy stainless steel poles, and 1 tape measurer. Satisfaction guaranteed. Stalwart is committed to providing consumers with the absolute best price and value on our entire line of products. Note, this is an exclusive product of Stalwart, and only mobile dolly by Stalwart are guaranteed to be genuine.